Maksimi henkilökapasiteetti on 9950 henkeä, joista sitten siinä tapauksessa 2350 on miehistöä ja 7600 matkustajia.
The Aquadome, the biggest so to say, the biggest glass dome which we have been lifting on a ship ever, is I think an iconic piece of the ship, and that will be also one of the most, so to say, most modern venues we will have on board.